What's the meaning of compression? Compression. Compression.
Compression. Compression. Compression refers to the process of reducing the size of a file or data stream, typically by encoding it in a more efficient format or eliminating redundancies. The result is a smaller file that takes up less storage space and can be transmitted more quickly over networks or the internet. This is achieved by removing unnecessary or redundant information, such as repeating patterns or unused data. Compression is widely used in various fields, including digital media, telecommunications, and computer science, to save storage space and bandwidth while preserving the original data quality.